In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Whether you're brand new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will get you from the home screen to a fresh design canvas in seconds, with a few tips to keep things smooth along the way. We're starting inside Figma, and the goal is simple. Open your drafts and create a brand new design file. First, head to Drafts. Drafts is your personal workspace in Figma, separate from team projects, and it's the perfect place to experiment, sketch ideas, or start something new before moving it to a shared space. You can find drafts in the left sidebar on the Figma homepage or app. If you're currently viewing a team or a project, look to the left and switch to drafts to make sure you're in your own area. This helps avoid creating files in the wrong location and keeps your work easy to find later. Once you're in drafts, you'll see any files you've created before, along with a clean space ready for your next idea. Now look toward the top right corner of the Drafts view and click the Design button. Depending on your version or layout, this may appear as a button labeled Design or a New Design File option with a plus icon. It lives up in the top right area of the window and is specifically for starting a fresh design file. One click, and Figma instantly opens a new blank canvas. After you click, you'll land inside your new file. On the left, you'll see the Layers and Assets panels. Across the top, you'll find your Design toolbar, ready with tools like the Move tool, Frame, Shape, Pen, and Text. The large white area is your canvas. This is where you'll create frames, add components, draw shapes, and build your layout. Figma auto-saves your work as you go, so you don't need to worry about hitting save manually. A few quick tips while you're here. If you want to keep things organized, you can give your file a clear title by clicking the name at the top of the window. If you ever don't see the Design button, double-check that you're actually in Drafts and not viewing a team project. And if your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to reveal the Drafts section so you can navigate there easily. That's it. Open Drafts, click the Design button in the top right, and your brand new Figma file is ready to go. From here, you can start laying out frames, exploring components, and building your design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating in Figma.